Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is volume integral. Volume integrals. We already shoot a video on line integrals, surface integrals, and now we discuss volume integrals. Surface integral exist in two dimension and volume integrals exist in three dimension. For examples, this is a rectangular shape A, B and H. Then volume is equal to A, B, H. This is the type of rectangulars volumes, and volumes we exist in three dimensions, this and this. This is the reason we understand better volume integrals. In order to define the volume integrals, we consider the region of space, three dimension in space, and divide its volume into small patches of volume. Divided the volume, this is a total volume, and divided into small patches. For example, the total is V, then divided into small patches like sigma V1, sigma V2 and so on. Right here sigma 1, sigma 2 and so on, Vn, sigma Vn. Then we means write this. Then volumes integrals can be defining as in this way. Then we define the volume in this way, double triple integrals. We know that volume integral exists in three dimensions, and then this is A is a vector field. A is a vector field. Vector field means only vector quantities is continuous. And dv means three dimensions. dv is equal to dx, dy and dz. We also define volume integrals is the integrals of surface integrals. Surface integral, we know that the double integrals of the volume of the vector field is known as surface integral. This is a surface integrals. We already make a video on surface integral, but only for better understanding we discuss. This is a surface integral. ds is equal to dx and dy. But here we define volume integral, triple integrals. Triples integrals. A is a vector field and dv means again two dimension, then we discuss in three dimension, then we use dv. Okay, then this is equal to this. Okay, understand this explanation only for explanations. For final paper we write this in your notebook. Okay, we also write this in an other way. For examples, phi flux, dv limit n approaches to infinity and sigma vi approaches to 0, then summation 1 to n sigma ri sigma di. Okay, this is I is equal to 1, where r is position vector of point in volume element of sigma vi. This is we also defines. Okay, we understand surface integral only two dimensions, and we considered volume integral in three dimensions. The integral of surface integrals two integral exist in surface integral. We integrate the surface integrals again, then we call three integrals. These three integrals of the vector field, in three dimensions. This is called volume integrals. Okay, understand? Thanks for watching, students.